Are you allowed to fly drones around here?
It's not allowed.
We're currently on Tower Bridge in the heart of London, and it's one of the most famous, iconic bridges in the world. Welcome back to the King's Guard channel, everybody. Let me know where you're tuning in from. It's always great to hear from our subscribers, and do make sure to give this video a like, and if you've not subscribed already, you know what to do. So we're currently just looking down the Thames as we're walking over the bridge, and it's just a fantastic, sunny, glorious day here in London. Now there's one thing that I've noticed, and this is extremely rare and actually illegal. Now you can see in the sky over here that there is actually a drone flying in the air, filming Tower Bridge. Flying a drone over Tower Bridge is obviously illegal for many reasons. It's because it's heavily regulated, and it's often illegal to fly a drone without proper permission. This is because the area falls in a designated flight restriction zone, an FRZ.
This is a public announcement. Bridge operation is about to commence. Stand by for start. Stop road traffic.
There's a white line behind there, madam. Keep on moving, guys. Keep on moving, step back.
No, fine. Come on, lads.
Close enough. New Yorkers would laugh like that.
Da, văd. Nu știu, mama, apasă acolo. Văd că filmezi. Vrei să-l oprești sau ce?
So the whole area is cordoned off, so the public must stand behind these iron gates as the bridge lifts. But equally, we also get a fantastic view of the boat passing through.
Vine un vapor, cred. Ai auzit? Mai folosesc cărbune zilele astea. Uite, mama, că vine. Da, un avion de gata. La de jos. De aici.
Stand by bridge staff, bus over road traffic gates. All vehicle your request to wait for the green traffic light. Wait for the green traffic light before moving off.
Hai să stăm încolo, încolo. Dar rămân în spate să...
Alright everyone, so the steward has opened the gate and I'm going to have a quick word with him regarding the drone. I have no idea why it's up there, but it's always good just to check in with authority and let them know if there's anything suspicious going on.
Are you allowed to fly drones around here?
It's not allowed.
What's that?
It's already been reported.
That's already been reported. It's not official. Of course.
Now I'm actually going to make my way down to the side of the bridge and try and find the person that is actually operating the drone. So you're not going to believe it, I've actually spotted the person that has the drone. Now you can see that the drone is on the floor and he's got the device in his hand that will operate the drone. It does appear that they must have just been flying this because we are literally meters away from Tower Bridge at the moment. I really didn't think I was going to find them because there are thousands of people in this area, but I do know what I'm looking out for. Now he probably has been told by officials to stop flying. I'm not too sure what he's doing. Is he deleting the footage? Is he just packing it up now? No one actually knows, but it is quite amazing that I've managed to find the evidence of someone with a drone in their hand right next to Tower Bridge.